Hey guys, we are here and what's your shop called?
Foreign builds, foreign wraps. Actually, we also do vinyl wrapping.
Oh, that's sick.
So yeah, that's kind of our logo right there.
You got this car. How'd you get this car?
We saw it on the social media. So we saw it basically. Everybody was posting it. It was kind of went a little bit viral, and a lot of people wanted to see this car being rebuilt. So we thought it would be a really good opportunity for us to grab it from Copart, the auction. It's a salvage auction. Actually, they have clean title cars on there as well. And we ended up getting this car, and it's in our shop right now. So
let's go look at the car. Tell me about some of the risks. So that is the Performante as it sits today. There is nothing on the inside. There's obviously no windshield.
Yeah, we completely tore this car apart.
So you guys already tore the car apart. And when you got the car, was there any surprises, or is it what you expected from the auction?
Well, the only surprises were the guys that previously got this before us, and they posted it on Copart. They actually made the car seem a lot less damaged, but good thing is we knew how
did they do that?
So right here, so this whole suspension work was fully ripped off. You know,
in the accident, this is all ripped off.
In the accident, yeah. So you can see, we saw the pictures where the wheel was right here, all the lower control arms was all ripped off and everything. So you can see how these guys temporarily welded everything together.
Holy, even I can tell that's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, so you can see right here, and yeah, like you can see, so they temporarily welded everything just to make it seem like it's a lighter damage.
But you knew, because you saw our video.
Yeah.
So you saw the car at the accident scene, and you know enough about cars, obviously you do this for a living, to know that it was worse than the photos would stipulate.
Yeah, it was worse. We knew it was worse. The thing is, if they put it on Copart how it was, we probably would have ended up getting for probably $40,000 less than it was, but we actually had to go over 40,000 just because people who played that car, because we weren't the only ones playing it, people who were bidding on it, they actually thought the damage was really light, you know?
And how often do you see a Performante damaged on an auction site? Is it rare?
Oh, it's really rare. Yeah, it's really rare. It's rare to just see like a regular Huracan or a Aventador. There was actually a few days ago, there was a Aventador SV 2019. We hoped we would have got it, but it went, I think, over $300,000 salvage, you know, so yeah, but
wow.
But there's exotic cars, it's hard to get them, especially for the Performante. It's really hard to find the parts for this car.
Oh, it is.
You know, so we had to get everything.
I see. We'll inspect that. I see some boxes behind you, and you got all the parts here.
Yeah.
So yes, we're gonna partner together. We're gonna rebuild this entire car for you guys here at DDE. So today is gonna be the video talking about what happened, taking the car apart, assessing the damage, and then talk about next steps. And then this car's gonna leave here today to get the frame straightened.
Yeah. So it's gonna get everything changed that needs to be changed. We got all brand new frame assembly. We got new lower control arms. Everything that we need to change, we're going to change. You can see this side. This side's actually, this is how it's supposed to look.
So this is how it should all look. I got you.
Yeah, this is how it should all look.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff missing over there. Look at all this piece, this piece, and over here there's nothing.
And we actually bought this whole new piece, so we're actually going to replace this whole new piece. You can tell it's damaged right here, so we ended up buying the whole new piece right here. So we don't want to do any welding. It's just not worth it in this kind of car. So we want everything to go, you know, we want all the specs to be perfect. We want
That's really awesome, because I know in Canada we have really strict laws when it comes to rebuilding cars. Like, it's really expensive, really hard, and that's why a lot of cars just get dismantled. I know in some states the rules are a little bit more relaxed as far as what you can do to get away with. It sounds like you're going to do this the absolute safest, properest way possible, which is replacing all the parts with new parts. So right there, obviously, you cut that off and rebuild it there.
And our frame guy, he is the best guy in Sacramento. He actually works on a lot of exotic cars. You know, he worked on a few YouTubers' cars. So we knew him for a really long time already. He's a good friend of us as well. So he's gonna help us out. He's gonna make it look all perfect. And once we start putting everything together, everything's gonna go good. And we're gonna make this car look like it never happened, you know?
This is like Christmas morning. What's in this? This must be body parts. It's light.
So, bumpers, fender, hood, I think, super light.
Oh, look at this guy. You're just showing off. He's just showing off. I know what's going on there.
Everything's from Italy besides the headlight. The headlight.
There's a headlight in here?
Yeah, so there's the headlight. So we got this headlight from Austria. It's a used headlight. We could have got it from Italy, but they had it on backloaded till January, and we were not gonna.
What's a used headlight cost for a Performante?
Normal is from $5,000 to $6,000.
Oh! I heard that some of the parts you can't just buy, you have to like apply to buy.
Yeah.
I know like Tesla, they won't sell you parts.
Yeah.
But for a Lamborghini, is it kind of a challenge to get some parts?
So the way I'm doing it is I'm working through a company. A friend of mine, he's actually really helping me out. They actually work with the manufacturer from Italy with the. So basically, I'm working with him. So a lot of parts you can't even buy at the dealership. So I'm getting everything from him. So he's kind of like the middle guy.
If I called Lamborghini and was like, "Hey, it's Dave from DDE. Yeah, I'll sign an autograph," and they're like. Thank you. And they're like, what do you want? I'm like, I want a bumper, I want this, I want that. They'd be like, no.
They will not sell to you at all. They will not sell to you. Yeah, so
would they sell the Damon? He's verified on Instagram. Would they sell the Damon? The check mark? The blue check mark?
Probably not. No.
No?
For an autograph, no.
Hey, your Instagram following, Damon. Oh, it's like Christmas morning.
Yeah.
If you work in an auto shop anyway.
Yeah, except you have to pay for your own presents. So. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that, you guys. Made in Italy. There's a hood?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Super. Everything is so light.
Look at the smile. He's happy. Aluminum. How much is that hood worth?
How does that hood work?
How much is it worth?
Oh, worth.
The hinges I have figured out.
It was around 4,000 something.
That's not even that bad.
It's not, no.
For what you would think, like an R8 hood is like
here,
8 grand.
let me show you this. So you see this whole assembly piece right here, this whole frame piece?
Yeah.
So this frame piece, they sell it here for 14,000. From Italy, I ended up paying 4,000. Yeah.
Oh, you guys, unpacking the new front bumper cover.
Okay, let's.
Oh, they sent us the wrong one.
No way. Is this an Aventador one?
It's an Aventador. That's from a Countach. Come on, guys. Where's a quality control Lamborghini? Yeah, let's send him this bumper. It'd be fun, huh? Well, that's sick.
Is it true that everybody's super nice in Canada?
Does Damon Fryer seem nice to you? The answer is no, not everyone from Canada is super nice.
Theres one more thing in the box. Grab it real quick. I'll take care of this box right here. Also open
You guys, we can't have too much serious work. We have to have some fun. Got you! No. This is exciting, you guys. All these new products from Performante.
There you go.
And then this is like the cool one. Like, look at this. The viewers at home want this box. You'll get offers on this, I guarantee you. Because
this is a heavy box right
look at it says. It says Lamborghini on it.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this out. We're gonna put a clear coat on it, and we're gonna put it on our barn doors.
Yeah.
We built that barn door.
You built that?
We never made a video. The only thing we forgot.
Just for
to take a
DDE?
video.
Yes.
You want to hide the truth back there, don't you?
No, we had a hole there, and there's people working, and we're like, what do we do here for those guys to come here and record? And we had some ideas to put a tarp, and I was like, no, we ain't gonna do that.
Yeah, the barn doors for
So
DDE
we had
fam.
to go buy material and build the door, because the
how
door is
about
like
this?
$2,000. So
Can you sign the door?
I'll sign the door.
Yep.
I'll sign your forehead as well if you ask me nicely.
Mom,
I do sign foreheads. I'm known for that. I see a peephole. Oh, I see what's happening back there.
So there's a lot of parts in here. This is the real deal right here.
Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Damn, there's a lot of stuff in there. Front clip of the car.
That's the full assembly.
Holy.
So there's little parts scattered. Nobody talks this out as parts.
Yeah. Oh, fender.
So Lamborghini tape all over the place.
Holy sh.
Yeah.
It's like a feather, huh?
It's literally
That's not a
Weighs
feather.
nothing.
That's a
I think the
fender.
weight that you're holding is the weight of the bag.
probably.
Yeah. This
What's this?
This is part of the frame. So there's some frame pieces over here.
Radiator, I think.
So this is for the bumper and the fender. So all of this is little. This is hood hinges.
How do you know everything to order? Like, how did you?
Well, first of all, we made a list. Second of all, we were looking on the driver's side and seeing what we need to go on the passenger side, you know. So a lot of
But
stuff.
like,
we
even
missed.
like, oh, that makes sense. But like the little
Yeah.
nuts and bolts and stuff like
So,
that.
for example, the bumper, you can see that mark is broken,
Right.
and we go on the
How
diagram.
did you know I needed these?
I don't know if I need those. I just told them to send me extra bolts.
Oh, okay. All right, out with the old, in with the new.
A lot of parts.
It's a lot of parts.
Everything's new besides the fender. It is damaged. So,
Yeah, you guys, the fender's a little bit of damage on it. Let's talk about that for a second.
yeah, you can see.
Little love tap there.
And then right here.
That one hurts.
Yeah. So, we don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but we do gotta send it in for frame right now. So I'm not gonna wait. You know. So we're gonna decide on this later on.
So you could repair that.
It's an easy repair. You know. I was hoping to have everything new with no like bond or anything, but
Yeah. The downside we're saying off camera is that he wants another one. It's a month
yeah,
or more.
yeah,
So, obviously the car's taken apart now. I helped do that off camera.
yeah.
Old parts are there just for fun. These are the new parts. The next step is...
We're gonna load up the car right now on the trailer,
Yep.
and we're gonna take it straight to the frame shop. So,
And why does it have to go to a frame shop? Why can't you do that here?
because it
that
has
a big
to go,
thing?
it goes on the frame machine, and they do everything by lasers and everything,
Lasers?
and they measure everything
Are there
out.
sharks with freaking lasers on their heads? So there's lasers. To straighten the frame isn't a joke. You don't mess around.
Yeah, you gotta,
I've seen
you know-
guys with chains and like ratchet straps and things like
Yeah.
that, but we want to do it right. Let's load it up.
Yeah, let's load it up. Right, we gotta move on.
So do you have a tow truck or something? How do you do this?
I'm gonna tow it with my personal car. You know, I kind of use it on a daily. So I have a trailer. A friend of mine let me use his trailer. So yeah, we're gonna tow it with my personal car, which you guys are gonna see what it is.
Perfect.
A lot of people tell me it's not a daily car, but I daily already. It's only like 6 to 10 miles per gallon. You know, it's bad, really bad.
I see the tow rig. I see something spelling out here. Oh yeah. Dude. I freaking love G-Wagons. This is a G55, the V8 supercharged.
This is the older year, so it doesn't come supercharged.
Oh, look at the interior. That's not factory.
None of it is.
Wow.
So there's one more thing, and I kind of made it like a, you can see the Rolls Royce inside there, you know.
Oh!
Yeah, so just made it look a little bit better.
Where are you from?
than original.
Originally.
I'm from Ukraine. I came here when I was like 5 years old, so I was pretty much raised here.
It's from Ukraine in a G-Wagon.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
That's Russian.
That's
mafia, right?
perfect.
Yes.
And this is a tow rig. That is an absolutely epic tow rig. All right, let's load it up. Are you letting that guy back up your trailer?
That's my little brother. You know,
That guy?
he only crashed my car maybe 2 times, so I
Well, you were just saying
somewhat
that your
trust him.
brother actually crashed that car, did he not?
Yeah, like 3 weeks ago.
Burn
he-
him, burn him, burn him. What
Yeah,
happened?
so
What did he do?
3 weeks ago, he decided to go buy a boat, fishing boat, and when he was driving on the way back on the freeway, he ended up rear-ending somebody, you know, so only my grill went bad, but the other guy's car, his whole trunk was inside his car. Since it's,
Well, you guys can fix it for him if he'll let you.
he has insurance.
There we go. So how do you get this onto there if that doesn't drive?
You will see a lot of
Muscles? Muscles?
A lot of muscle.
Yeah.
Oh, still runs. Hey, real humble, buddy.
Thank you.
Putting a Lamborghini with their G-Wagon.
Yeah.
All right, we've arrived here at the alignment frame and suspension shop to align the frame on this Performante. And apparently, he has to back this trailer all the way over there. So we're all gonna watch and judge. Look at McLaren over here too. Is Sacramento like the supercar mecca of Northern California?
Lightweight, I'd say.
So where are we?
At the frame shop.
And who came here before?
TJ Hunt.
TJ who?
TJ Hunt.
Never heard of him. Okay, I'm joking, I'm joking. So this is the shop that's gonna straighten the frame on the Performante. In about a week and a half, we'll come back, you guys. And what will we film in the next episode of rebuilding a Performante?
So what we're planning on doing next is actually throwing the car in the paint booth and get everything painted, then bring it back to the shop and start assembling everything, you know, and hopefully we're not missing any parts and everything goes smoothly and it's back on the street.
They're gonna put the body panels on and then straighten the car? Like the fenders and the hood and all that and the bumper?
Yeah, so what they're gonna do first is they're gonna do the frame. They're gonna weld everything on.
Okay.
By measurements, everything correctly, and then they're gonna throw on the hood, the bumper, and the fenders. Not painted, just throw it on just to see that everything.
The alignment and all that?
All the gaps, everything, the headlights, see everything's aligned, everything's good. And once that's good, we're gonna take the car. The car's gonna be
Reassemble.
done.
Cool. And how can we find you guys on social media for the audience watching right now?
Foreign Builds. So we have a
Instagram?
Yeah, we have an Instagram, Foreign Builds, and we also have a YouTube channel, Foreign Builds, which we just recently started rebuilding cars.
Cool.
So we have 2 projects on there, this and a different project. You guys can go check it out. And yeah, just Instagram, give us a follow.
Give them a follow, you guys, and we'll be back. So we're
Yeah.
gonna be here for this whole process with this car.
So we're just beginning.
This
So
is just
we
the
got
beginning.
a
This is
lot
the
of
teaser.
crazy, yeah.
This is the first date.
Yeah, first day. So
Home base will be a few more episodes from now, you guys. So build it up slowly.
Yeah.
Don't go straight for the kill. We need to make sure we,
yeah.
it's foreplay. Thank you so much for today. This is amazing. We'll be back, you guys, to get the next steps of this car. While we're away, you'll film some of the process we're not here to film. So we'll see that in the channel. You guys go and follow these guys. Thank you guys so much for taking the time today to hang out with me. I'm sorry I was a little bit late. Life happens.
We're on people.
That's it for this one, you guys. Smash that subscribe button if you need some merch, and I think you do. Shopdd.com. Peace. Cold start. Lukewarm start. Runs good. That's a good thing the engine's in the back.
Yeah, yeah.